Hello friends, welcome to my channel Junior Tech-Shikshak. My name is Harman Khosla. In this video, I will tell you how to enable Group Policy Editor in Windows Home Edition. Like if you want to change some settings or policies in the Windows, so you need Group Policy Editor. And if you are using Windows Home Edition, so you cannot access the group policy editor. If you are using pro or enterprise edition, so you can access. Now if I am using Windows Home Edition and I am a group policy editor, so it will not come. So in this video I will tell you how to install and enable it. So in the desktop you can see I have a file here. Okay, I have created with it commands. Okay, created with commands. I can show you this file. Okay, you have to make it with this code. This code I will provide you in the description. Just you have to go on notepad and then paste the code and save the file as bat. And if you don't want to do this process, I will give you the direct link and you will just download it and it will enable group policy editor. Just download it. I will give you the link in the description box. From there you can download this file. And after this file you have getted this file, right click, run as administrator. Okay, just do run as administrator. A prompt will come. You cannot see it here, but in your computer you will see it. Just click on yes. Okay, just click on yes. The process is started. See, it's processing. Let's wait for some time and your group policy editor will be installed. It's installing. It's installing packages. Let it do. It's doing. Wait for some time. It's processing. It's downloading packages one by one. It will take some time. Now it is done. Now press any key to continue. Press enter. Now you have enabled group policy editor in your Windows Home Edition. So if you want to open it, type Windows R. There type gpedit.msc. Boom! Your group policy editor has opened. This is a shocking trick. Group policy editor has been installed and enabled in your Windows Home Edition. So this was the information and trick I want to share with you. So have a great day.